Hello, my name is Deep Saini. I'm President and Vice Chancellor of Dalhousie University. Let me begin by acknowledging that Dalhousie is located on Mi'kma'ki, the ancestral and unceded territory of the Mi'kmaq. We are all treaty people. Well, thank you for joining us today for this virtual event. As you know, we would have preferred to be all together, joining in person to celebrate the end of this year and this festive season. But as you know, 2020 has been a year like no other year before us in our lifetimes. But you have come through and you have been a pillar of strength through this very, very difficult year. So let me say thank you to all of you for your perseverance and for the strength that you have provided to one another. You are our teachers who have been teaching online or in some cases even in person, our researchers who've been doing research from the labs and sometimes remotely. You are those who have kept our buildings going, buildings clean and safe. You've been our learners who've been learning under very difficult circumstances. You have provided support in so many different ways for the core mission of this institution. You have cared and you have supported one another. And then there are those who are outside this institution. For example, our frontline workers, our health professionals, the essential workers who have kept all the essential services going. To all of you who have been involved in any way in keeping our institution and our society functioning, thank you. Thank you very much. Now, people, as you know, are our top strength. You are the ones who keep this institution going. You are the ones because of whom we are a strong institution and we will keep getting stronger. You have seen us through this very difficult year. And it has been a very difficult year for all of you. I know that, we all know that. So it is time for you to now get some rest for yourself. Find some time for yourself and recharge the batteries. For now, go grab yourself a hot drink, make yourself comfortable, and let's get together and enjoy the performances that are coming. Cheers.
CHLOÉ medalotio. Dalhousie prosper a REBEKAH wegustonic go to wigi nige jubuktok. Bas a kudoodleway, edaway, withinowilawim, kach basulbanane. Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Prosper. I'm from the Eskazoni First Nation, but I now reside in the Halifax area. I just want to wish everyone a happy holidays and a happy new year. I've been asked to share a brief celebratory Mi'kmaq song for this video, and so I thought I would share a Mi'kmaq Gojwa song. Gojwa songs and the Gojwa dance are typically done during celebrations, whether it's gatherings or festivals, etc. And one of the times of the year that these songs would typically be sung is during a Mi'kmaq festival or Mi'kmaq ceremony known as Bestewa Dahadim. This ceremony has evolved over time since European contact, and through that evolution, one of the times of the year that this would be celebrated is during the Christmas season. And so it would typically start around Christmas Day or the day after Christmas, and it would run for 12 days all the way until January 6th, which is, as some may know, what we know as Old Christmas. And so through this celebration, they would often go door to door and celebrate or honor various individuals within the community. And as part of this honoring and the celebration, they would sing and dance the Gojwa. And so with that, I would like to share a Gojwa song, as you know, you would typically hear it in Mi'kmaq communities during this time of year. So here we go. That's a Mi'kmaq Gojwa song. As I said, I would like to wish everyone Edawe Wilina Walamimk happy holidays or Merry Christmas. Basul Bunane, Happy New Year. Hope everyone has a safe and joyful holiday season with your family and friends. See you all in the new year.
Hi, I'm Charlotte, and this is a song about new beginnings. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. And surely he'll be up, I'd stop, and surely I'll be mine, and we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. And there's a hand, my trusty fear, and is a hand all thine, and we'll take a right good willy whacked for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
Emmanuel kurat Israel utan mimne hen bechodor yakum hagivorka elham. Emmanuel kurat Israel utan mimne hen bechodor yakum hagivorka elham. Shma bayamim hahem bazman hazeh Makavi Moshia ufode, uvyamenu kolam Yisrael, Yitache Yakum Yigael. Who can retell the things that befell us? Who can count them? In every age a hero or sage came to our aid. Who can retell the things that befell us? Who can count them? In every age a hero or sage came to our aid. Shema, in days of yore in Israel's ancient land, brave Maccabeus led the faithful band. But now all Israel must as one arise, redeem itself through deed and sacrifice. Mi Emmanuel Israel utoni, hen bechodor Yaakov hagibor goel. Mi Emmanuel utoni, hen bechodor Yaakov hagibor goel.
Hello, my name is Chloe, and I'll be singing Our Flambeau. Our Flambeau is a very old piece from Provence, and the tune comes from dance music from the 1400s. The Christmas-themed words were only added in the mid-16th century. In Provence, the song is still sung on Christmas Eve to this day. Here is Our Flambeau.
Wasn't that an amazing celebration, amazing performances from the students at our Fountain School, amazing performance from Aaron Prosper. Thank you very much to all of you. And let me also say one big thank you from my heart to all of you who have given for this year's Giving Tuesday event, and those who have given to United Way campaign and helped as volunteers in that campaign. And to close, let me just finish by saying thank you to all of you for joining us today. Your presence here has made this event so much more fabulous under these very difficult circumstances. Thank you.